Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless LAN module. Removal. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open it approximately 180 degrees so that it lays flat on your work surface. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna, webcam, and display panel cables for later replacement. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the webcam ZIF connector and disconnect the webcam cable from the motherboard. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the display panel ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the motherboard. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the wireless antenna and webcam cables from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Lift the display panel assembly off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.